Have you ever shifted your vehicle into reverse, only to find a completely blank or frozen screen on your dashboard? It is a frustrating and potentially dangerous problem that is becoming incredibly common. Stick around until the end of this video, and we will talk about what it might cost to get this sorted out. When this issue first shows up, it usually happens at the worst possible time. You might be trying to back out of a busy grocery store parking space. Or maybe you are navigating a tight driveway with kids playing nearby. You shift into reverse, fully expecting your reliable backup camera to pop up on the central infotainment screen. Instead, the screen either goes totally black or it displays a completely frozen image. You might see a freeze frame of the exact moment you put the vehicle into gear. The primary symptom here is an immediate failure of that live camera feed exactly when you need it most. A very common false assumption drivers make is that the camera lens is simply covered in dirt. Or worse, they assume a wire in the tailgate has finally snapped from opening and closing the hatch. It feels like a physical hardware failure. You might even walk around to the back of the vehicle, wipe off the lens, and find that absolutely nothing changes. This specific problem affects a wide range of premium vehicles. We are looking at several models from 2022 through 2023, including the Land Rover Defender, Discovery, Range Rover Evoque, and the Range Rover Sport, plus others. If you drive a 2022 or 2023 model, pay close attention to how your screen behaves. Losing your rear-view camera is not just an annoying daily inconvenience. A frozen or blank screen severely limits your rearward visibility in large SUVs with significant blind spots. This creates a serious crash hazard, dramatically increasing the risk of backing into a stationary object. Even worse, it increases the risk of a back-over collision with moving vehicles or pedestrians. If you try to diagnose this yourself with a basic code reader, you might end up entirely frustrated. Because this is a proprietary module error, a standard consumer OBD2 scanner likely will not show any engine codes. Advanced diagnostic tools might pull a code related to the module dropping the video signal, but your dashboard will not show a single warning light. Land Rover and the federal government have officially acknowledged how dangerous this is. Because modern vehicles are legally required to have functioning backup cameras, this failure violates federal safety standards. Specifically, it fails to comply with Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard No. 111, which dictates rear visibility requirements. Because of this violation, Land Rover has issued an official safety recall. If you want to look it up, this is NHTSA campaign number 23V709000. This official campaign legally requires the manufacturer to address the loss of the rear-view camera feed. But what exactly is going wrong behind the dashboard? The defect is entirely caused by a software error. Specifically, the bug is located within the vehicle's Image Processing Module A, or IPMA. This computer module is responsible for taking the raw video data from the tailgate camera and translating it to your screen. A bug in the module's programming suddenly interrupts the video signal processing. This software crash prevents the live feed from successfully routing to the display. Instead of a live view, it leaves you staring at a blank screen or a previously frozen frame of video. If you look at owner forums and online discussions, you will see a lot of frustration about how unpredictable this is. Many owners noticed the camera would glitch intermittently before failing completely. A common temporary fix owners tried was turning the vehicle completely off, locking the doors, and walking away. By letting the vehicle sit, the modules were forced to go to sleep. When owners restarted the car later, the camera would magically work again. That intermittent nature is a classic sign of a software glitch, but it made diagnosing the problem maddening before the recall was finally announced. Fortunately, the repair direction for this issue is straightforward and highly modernized. The official remedy is a complete software update for the image processing module. For many of these affected vehicles, Land Rover can actually deploy this software update over the air. That means the vehicle can download the fix via a cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Owners with connected vehicles might simply receive a prompt right on their infotainment screen. You can accept the update, let the software install while the vehicle is parked, and fix the issue from your driveway. However, if your vehicle cannot receive the over-the-air update, there is a traditional path. You can take the vehicle to a local Land Rover dealership. The technicians will physically connect their factory diagnostic equipment to your vehicle and flash the module with the newest software. Now, let us talk about the expected repair cost for this problem. Because this is an active, federally mandated safety recall, the software update is performed entirely free of charge. Whether you install it over the air or take it to the dealer, you will pay nothing out of pocket. But what if you ignored the recall and took your vehicle to an independent shop for a blank screen diagnosis down the road? A shop unaware of the recall might charge you an hour of diagnostic time just to scan the electrical modules. For roughly 2026 labor rates, an hour at an independent shop will average around $95. An hour of diagnostic time at a dealership will usually run about $145. This is why staying on top of active software campaigns is so important. You never want to pay for electrical diagnostics when a free recall exists. Have you experienced a blank or frozen backup camera in your vehicle? Let me know exactly what you saw down in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more automotive information. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more automotive technical information.